It's just, I haven't seen Alice.
You don't know where Alice is.
I haven't tried to find her.
You know why I saw him? I saw him because he's been begging me for months. I saw him so he'd sign.
So, has he signed?
Yes.
Congratulations. You're divorced. Double divorced.
Mm.
You slept with him. What do you expect me to do?
Understand.
Why didn't you lie to me?
Because we said we'd always tell each other the truth.
What's so great about the truth? Try lying for a change. It's the currency of the world.
I saw him so he'd leave us alone. I love you. I didn't give him anything.
Your body?
If Alice came to you desperate with all that love still between you, and she said that she needed you to want her so that way she could get over you, you'd do it too. I wouldn't like it either, but I'd understand. It's kindness.
No, it's cowardice. You don't have the guts to let him hate you. It's gone. We're not innocent anymore.
Don't stop loving me. I can see it draining out of you. It's me, remember? It was a stupid thing to do, and it didn't mean anything. And if you love me enough, you'll forgive me.